Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Ikram Yamani. Let's have today's headlines. Lok Sabha Party National President Mr. JP Narayana meets the BJP PM candidate Narendra Modi at the Begumpet Airport, declares his support for him. The date of the announcement of result of the first and second year intermediate exams will be decided on the coming next 2 days. Intermediate advanced supplementary exam to begin may take place at 25th of May 2014. MIM Supremo Asaduddin Owaisi to the Chandran-Gutta constituency as a part of his party's election campaigns today, that is Tuesday. The police is keeping no stone unturned in making the best and the most foolproof security arrangement in the Twin Cities in the way of upcoming elections. Telangana is just not a KCR family, says Pawan Kalyan. 55 Al-Qaeda militants reported dead in Yemen. Headlines in details. The Board of Intermediate Examination Education AP has decided to conduct the advanced supplementary examination from 28th of May. A meeting conducted under the chairmanship of Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed has decided to release the results of intermediate examination in the first week of May. Mr. Ahmed also directed the Board of Intermediate Secretary Mr. Ram Shekhar Naik to make sure that the intermediate results are declared in the first week of May and the advanced supplementary exams may be conducted from 28th of May. The date of announcing the results of the first year and second year intermediate results would be decided in the next coming 2 days. According to the Commissioner of the Board of Intermediate, Mr. Krishna Nayak, the task of the correction or evaluation of the intermediate papers was almost complete and the date for declaration of result was to be announced earlier. The advanced intermediate supplementary exams would begin from 28th of May and its result would be announced very soon. Lok Sabha Party's National President JP Narayana met the BJP PM candidate Narendra Modi on Tuesday at Begumpet Airport. Speaking to the media, Mr. JP Narayana announced his support for Mr. Modi's candidate. He said that the development of the country was possible under the leadership of Mr. Modi. He added that UPA government over the last 10 years of its rule has failed on almost aspects. Mr. JP also thanked Pawan Kalyan for his support for him.
వాడికి మంచి పాఠాలు కావాలంటే నా కులం కాబట్టి పనికిమాల గాడి దగ్గరికి పంపిస్తానా ఏ కులమైనా కూడా బ్రహ్మాండంగా పాఠాలు చెప్పే దగ్గర పంపిస్తానా ఇంట్లో ఎవరికైనా ఆపరేషన్ కావాలి అర్జెంటుగా ప్రాణదానం చేయాలని చెప్పంటే కత్తి పెడితే ప్రాణం పోయేవాడిని నా కులం కాబట్టి అని చెప్పి నా వెధ దగ్గరికి పంపిస్తానా నా బిడ్డ ప్రాణాలను కాపాడుకుంటానా.
President of the AMIM, Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, on Tuesday, that is today, toured the various area of the Chandran-Gutta Assembly constituency on Tuesday and met the voters of the area. Mr. Owaisi, during his tour, appealed to the people to make the party's candidate victorious during the upcoming election, while during his tour on the different area of Chandran-Gutta constituency. Mr. Owaisi was given a warm reception at all places he visited. On this occasion, the party's corporates and workers were present with Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi. The police is making strict security arrangement for the upcoming election to be held on the 30th of April 2014 in the twin cities of Hyderabad. As a part of the drive, there has been set up an increased security cover different points in the PET Bashir Bagh limits. In the regard, DCP Srinivas Rao paid Bashir Bagh police spoken to the media person and said that an increased security cover will be set up as a part of checkposts and in sensitive areas so that the distribution of alcohol or money among the voters is stopped. It may be remembered that the election are going to be held on 30th of April 2014. Pawan Kalyan says Telangana is not KCR family. Telangana is just not a KCR family. It's all of us, says Pawan Kalyan, who is Jan Sena leader and top Tollywood actor. He said he did not enter politics as an actor but as a common man seeking state welfare and development.
రేపొద్దున మనకేదైనా అనుమతులు కావాలంటే ఇవన్నీ మర్చిపోతారా? కానీ ఇవన్నీ నష్టపోయేది వీళ్ళు నష్టపోరు. మళ్ళీ ఏం చెప్తారు? 5 ఎలక్షన్ల తర్వాత మేము ఏవైతే అనుకున్నామో చేసాం, కానీ 5 సంవత్సరాలు వీళ్ళు వాళ్ళ పాలన పడనివ్వలేదని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి ప్రభుత్వాలు కూర్చుంటారు, మళ్ళీ తెలంగాణ మీద దోపిడీ చేస్తారు. అది మీరు మర్చిపోకండి.
Ukraine crisis, Biden says Russia must start acting. US Vice President Joe Biden was said Russia must stop taking and start acting to defuse the Ukraine crisis. He was speaking after a meeting interim PM Arsenal Yatsenki in Kyiv. 55 Al-Qaeda militant required report dead in Yemen after US-backed air offensive. At least 55 Al-Qaeda militants have been killed in Yemen, the country's interior ministry claimed after an intensive weekend air offensive in which US drones are believed to have been involved. Let's have a look on today's top stories of sports news. In IPL 7, Punjab loses Sehwag, says Pujara. Punjab aim to maintain winning streak against Hyderabad. SC rejects Beaks 3 members probe panel. Galen Storm is Spacey, Glenn Maxwell is the new fad in IPL 7. Chennai Super Kings beats Delhi Ram to their biggest win IPL. Let's have a look on today's stock market updates. Sensex for today's is 22,758.37 with minus 0.3 as percent. Whereas for Nifty, 6,815.35 with minus 0.3% decreasing. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver updates. For 10 grams of gold, rupees 27,990 for 22 carats. Whereas for 24 carats of gold, for today's rate for 10 grams, rupees 29,950. Whereas silver rates for today for 10 gram, rupees 427.98 paisa for bar price 1 kilo. Let's have a weather report of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Chittoor minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Medak 25 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature and maximum temperature 40 degrees Celsius. And whereas Khammam stand for today's minimum temperature as 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 44 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. Lok Sabha Party National President Mr. J.P. Narayana meets the BJP PM candidate Narendra Modi at the Begumpet Airport, declares his support for him. The date of the announcement of result of the first and second year intermediate exams will be decided on the coming next 2 days. Intermediate advanced supplementary exam to begin may take place at 25th of May 2014. MIM Supremo Asaduddin Owaisi to the Chandran Gutta constituency as a part of his party's election campaigns today, that is Tuesday. The police is keeping no stone unturned in making the best and the most foolproof security arrangement in the Twin Cities in the way of upcoming elections. Telangana is just not a KCR family, says Pawan Kalyan. 55 Al-Qaeda militants reported dead in Yemen. That's all in this newscast for today. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.